Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino, checking in on Nikola Corporation. Ever so slight gap open just above our key 68.10, 68.11 level. What did it open at exactly? 68.41. Could not sustain it. We still do not have the key close above here, even if you're just watching the 1 hour. You see here, no key close above that level. Wouldn't go much short of 1 hour when we talk about significant levels. Like you could go, oh, it closed on a 1 minute above that level. That's silly because you want some of the longer term price action, at least 1 hour, preferably 4 hour, to confirm that a level has been broken. Returning to the 4 hour rotation zone right here and ending up right at the rotation zone for the day. So again, key close above 68.10 area. We'll then start watching for a return to 73.24, 75.76, 75.31 to 75.76, and 78.27 are the minor levels. The upside rotation zone is still in bullish mode. It's catching up. First level key support 63. If we drop below 63, we'll be watching about 61, where the rotation zone comes in, which there's a lot of dip buying coming in there too, and just above this key close. Everything's flat though. Rotation zone on the weekly still favors the bullish breakout, but it hasn't been able to sustain a move. That 63 level is now reinforced by the rotation zone, so that's a very key level. If we do get a close below there, it would be on a daily basis, it would be into the rotation zone. Then we'd start watching for the bigger pullback towards this 53.10 area. Bottom of the rotation zone coming in about 51.60, so just below that, but I'd be focused on the 53.10. Weekly mode. You can see here, very overextended on the weekly, and if we do come back down and return to rotation zone all at once on a weekly basis, it would be around 40.25, right around this low, 40.42. So that's the key area. If it does come crashing down for some reason, that's the key area to watch on the weekly chart. There's no signal that says it's going to do that. There's no major sell signal. We have to wait out either for the breakout to the upside or to break down. It is, though, incredibly overbought on the weekly basis. And remember, there's still a gap here to be filled. So when that gap's eventually filled, we'd be looking to 35.97 for the complete gap fill. So yeah, for you on Nikola, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.